Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are well. Born Pretty was kind enough to send me over 5 of their new cat eye magnetic gel polishes. I'm going to be swatching these colors for you, showing you how stunning and gorgeous these colors are, and then we are going to do a very simple and easy nail design. Now, with these cat eye magnetic gel polishes, you want to use a magnetic wand to kind of pull the pigments to create that cat eye effect. Born Pretty did send me over a magnetic wand, so I'm going to try to see if I can figure out how to do this cat eye magnetic gel design. So I'm going to apply some of the cat eye magnetic gel polish to the swatch stick. Then I'm going to take the magnetic wand that Born Pretty sent me. Here's how it looks. Very cute, very similar to all the other wands that we've seen before. And then you're supposed to like kind of push it to the side, and it's going to push or pull the pigment in the direction that you want it. It definitely takes a little bit of practice. I was doing all kind of things with this little wand, so it worked for some and then it didn't work for the others. So definitely practice how you want your cat eye effect to take place. Here's the second color in this collection that they've sent me over. Just gonna go ahead and swatch this, and then we're gonna try to use the wand again. All in all, like I said, they've sent me 5 colors. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch these colors for you, and then I'll come back when it's time to get into the nail design. If you're interested in any of these products being shown in this video, I do have a discount code. I will have that linked down in the description. All right, so here is a final look at all of the colors after I've applied some top coat. And off camera, I did go ahead and apply some base coat and some jelly nude gel polish to my nails. And I decided that I wanted to use that kind of brown cat eye magnetic gel polish from out of all of the 5 colors. I felt like I wanted to do something very neutral, very nudish. And you guys know me, I like to do those wavy, funky French nails. I don't like to do too many straight nails because I prefer, very abstract nails. So I'm going to take that brown and we're just going to go ahead and draw our little wavy French onto the nail. And then before we cure this gel polish, we're going to take that wand and we're going to try to do a little, fancy, smanchy cat eye kind of design onto the nail. And that is what I kind of came up with. So once I'm done, I'm going to give that a cure under the UV lamp for a 60-second cure. So I usually don't know what kind of nail design that I want to do ahead of time. So I usually just pull some nail decor, I place them onto the table, and I have my rhinestone glue and my super top coat from Born Pretty, and I kind of just wait for the design to kind of hit me. So I decided, maybe this time we can do some clear roses, because I always go for those trendy white flowers that everyone has been using, including myself. So I said maybe we'll do some roses this time. So I grabbed the roses, and then I have these little pearls, these half cover or half flat back, half pearls. I don't know what you call these. And then gold caviar beads. And then I had these brown, gold butterflies. Y'all, I don't know. It's late at night and I'm doing this voiceover. I'm just about half asleep, so excuse me if I say things I'm not supposed to say. Okay, I grabbed my white gel liner because I felt like because the nude, jelly nude gel polish and the cat eye magnetic gel polish are both brown, they were kind of losing each themselves into each other. So I decided I would grab some white as a, I don't know, secondary color just to give the French that I did some sort of boundary so that you can know, hey, this is a French nail. Otherwise, you're just going to think it's just a plain brown nail. So I grabbed my white gel liner and I tried to outline that wacky little line that I created with that cat magnetic gel. And I thought the white was the perfect complement to this pretty straight color, brown, jelly nude kind of nail. All right, so I draw this in and then I'll give this a cure under my UV lamp. And then afterwards, we're going to go in with our super top coat from Born Pretty. And then before I cure the top coat, I'm just going to use my rhinestone glue and stick on some roses, a gold butterfly, and some gold caviar beads. Now, I like to do my thumbnail design before I do my entire hand because sometimes, nail designs don't always turn out the way you want them. And this turned out okay. So once I see that the thumb looks a little bit, little nice, then I can go on and do the same design onto the other nails. So that's why you see me just doing the thumb first, all right? Once I have everything onto this thumb, I give this a full cure under my UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then I move on to the other nails. And I'm going to be doing the exact same thing. I'm going to do the exact same nail design onto my ring finger, but for my other remaining fingers, we're going to take the white lines and we're going to make them more like branches so that I can add some roses onto different parts of the nail. But you will see this very shortly. Okay, so I'm putting my cat eye effect onto the ring finger just like we did with the thumb. And for the index, middle, and pinky finger, I'm trying to push that cat eye effect towards the tip of the nail. So it's almost like this is an ombre with a cat eye French line tip towards the end of the nail. I thought it was pretty cool actually. I've never really worked with cat eye magnetic gels or with a cat eye magnetic wand, as you probably already figured out. So I was just going with the flow with this nail, and I'm glad that it still turned out pretty nice. Kind of like it. So here is where I take my white line art gel. I'm just going to draw some squiggly lines, and then we're going to draw some more squiggly lines. And this is essentially going to be our little branch. From here, we will cure them under the UV lamp. We're going to add some super top coat, and then we're going to stick on the caviar beads and the flowers. All right, guys, just putting on the finishing touches, and I will do the other fingers off camera just because I'm doing the exact same thing. Let me know what you think of this nail design down in the comment section. Again, thank you to Born Pretty for sending these products over to me. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.